Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. This cake is made with only 3 ingredients. It is super light, super fluffy, very airy, and it is so delicious. And all you need is just 3 ingredients and 5 minutes of your time. Let me show you how to make it. We will start by adding 4 eggs into a bowl. And then we go ahead to add 1/3 cups of sugar, that is 65 grams. Next, we're going to mix this until it's very fluffy. We're going to be using a stand mixer for this. You can use your hand mixer as well. We're going to mix it very well until it becomes stiff and pointy, just like I'm doing here. After mixing, it should look like this: white, stiff, and very fluffy. It is very important that you whisk the egg very well until it becomes like this, because the egg that we're incorporating in it is what will help the cake to rise, because we will not be adding baking powder to it. Next, we'll be adding our final ingredients: 80 grams of all-purpose flour, that is 2/3 cups. Then we go ahead to mix it until it's properly combined. We are going to mix it gently so that we will not break down the egg we have already incorporated in it. Once that is done, we'll go ahead to transfer it to our baking pan layered with parchment paper. After transferring the batter to your baking pan, go ahead and smoothen the top to ensure that it is evenly distributed. Next, we go ahead and bake the cake in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit. And this is what we have: a perfect cake, very fluffy, just like cloud, very soft, very airy, with just 3 ingredients and 5 minutes of your time. Is this cake something you'll be trying at home? Let me know in the comment section. Once we are done baking, we are going to go ahead to remove our parchment paper before slicing right into it. This cake recipe is the simplest cake recipe ever, made with simple ingredients. It is so delicious that you will end up making it all the time. In my house, everyone loves this cake and almost everyone can make it, both kids and adults alike. In your house, you can introduce this recipe to your family, especially your kids. I'm sure they will love it because it doesn't require much, only 3 ingredients, and you'll have the lightest and airiest and very fluffy and very delicious cake. Try this recipe and let me know in the comment section what you think about it. If you enjoyed watching this video, please kindly give it a thumbs up. If you're just coming across this channel for the first time, please kindly subscribe to be a part of this family. We make amazing recipes. Also check out the other videos in this channel. I'm sure you'll find something else you'll like. If you watch without subscribing, please, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to join us, and also feel free to share this recipe with your loved ones. Drop your comment below, give us a like. It will help in the growth of this channel. If you have any video recommendations or any questions for me, please write it in the comment section and I will surely get back to you. Let me know in the comment section any 3 ingredients recipe you want to see me make next. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.